Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ENSTER dual lens outdoor camera system here with 2K resolution. We have here an outdoor and, if you like, an indoor dual lens Wi-Fi PTZ outdoor camera system. It's a home security with human detection, auto tracking, smart AI, an alert system, color, night vision, two-way audio talk, and where I can go continue so much options because this device here comes with nearly everything. It can make a flashlight, but it's also available that it can be make a night vision, and that's a really cool thing. The image sensor is an 2.3 million nav7 300 AI CMOS sensor. The main resolution is 3K. These are 2304 to 2592. And the sub-resolution is 800 to 896. The lenses have 1.4 aperture to 3.6 millimeter and a 1.4 aperture 3.6 millimeter lens, because this device comes with two lenses. The video format is an H.265 AI and intelligent upgraded dual lens system. The new bullet cam and the dome cam combined in one. We can monitor two different directions of the area at the same time. 24/7 dual screen simultaneous viewing and recording at the same time. That's really cool. The dome camera has 355 degrees panable and 90 degrees tiltable. The rotation covers a much larger view area and captures more details. One camera works the function of the two ordinary cameras, all around monitoring. No blind spots after this. The night vision distance is up to 20 meters, the detection distance up to 15 meters. We have two-way audio. We have a light source, a patented bionic ball machine, 6+6 upper gun machine, and a 4+4 mixed lamp angle design. We can choose between different light modes: straight light, full light, infrared night vision, and dual light warning. Really cool. That's a big bunch of possibilities. We have here an Ultra HD dual lens system, 2K dual lens. The main resolution up to 3K is possible. Detailed picture quality, bright colors, clear brightness, and so on. Both lenses have motion detection and human detection, and the dome lens has an auto tracking function. After turning on the auto tracking, when either the bullet camera or the dome camera detects a moving object, the dome camera will start to track the moving object automatically. That's really cool. And the DC power is a DC 12-volt adapter, so you can plug it into your standard power socket. Power consumption is 10 watt. Network interface 10M or 100M adaptive Ethernet port, if you like to operate with local area network. But it is a Wi-Fi device here. We have a built-in microphone and a speaker. You can go up to 256 gigabyte of local TF card. It's micro SD for the interface. And enjoy a clear image even in low light conditions with a color night vision or infrared night vision. Intelligent alert detection abnormal movement and automatically push the alert message to our phone. It supports the function of customizing the detected area so we can focus on the specified area of interest and ignore unnecessary movement. It supports customized on-site voice alert to warn the visitors. We have here panable 355, tiltable up to 90 degrees. The auto tracking is supported. Presets 90. Intelligent analytics support human shape detection and gun ball linkage. The frame rate is 12 frames. That's okay for such a dual lens outdoor camera, I think. And the protocol is via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth distribution network. Cloud storage is supported, so you can use cloud storage if you like. Wireless standard is supported, IEEE 802.11b, 11G, and 11N. The operation frequency is 2.4 gigahertz, so you can operate it in that way. But you need the 2.4 gigahertz network only to pair with your smartphone. So the 2.4 gigahertz network has to be enabled. Talk to your admin, because every 5 gigahertz network router can handle a 2.4 gigahertz network too. And if you pair this camera system via the 2.4 gigahertz network via your app, via your smartphone, after this, after the finish the installation process, the dual lens camera is in that part of Wi-Fi, and after this you can change with your smartphone back to 5 gigahertz. No problem for it. Really, it's no problem. And the cameras are IP66 waterproof designed. This makes it suitable for users in all weather conditions: rain, sun, snow, and dust resistant, high and low temperature resistant, fearless of a bad weather, durable, rotatable universal bracket. After fixing the monitor, we can manually rotate the bracket to adjust the direction of the camera at any time. A variety of installation methods: wall mounting, hanging, holding pole, and mounted at our choice as we like. So this is a big thing here. This is the ENSTER brand. This has been a recognized leader in delivering quality cameras since 2010. They are a brand that we can 100% trust because they stand behind their products. They are committed to continuously improve our products using the feedback that we receive from the users itself. Really cool. We have 2K 3 megapixel dual lens security camera for outdoor and indoor use, 360 view, HD night vision, two-way audio, audible and visual alert, IP66 waterproof, dual lens design, micro SD and cloud storage, motion detection. So you have here nearly everything what you need. One device means two cameras, means a perfect view. We can make a lot of views and a lot of security things with that. And two-way audio brings us to the visitors or the intruders to talk to them. And then we can install it at the garage, at the courtyard, at the garden, at our house doors, and it's free customizable, because customized alarm sound, in addition to the traditional sirene, the alarm bell supports custom settings. It allows us to enter warning tags to the voice, to customize personalized words, use the welcoming visitors, warning intruders, alerting passers-by, and it works on multiple devices: iOS, Android, and Windows. And it's compatible with Google Assistant and, of course, compatible with Alexa. Because the camera family chair supports simultaneous viewing on multiple devices, it's compatible with nearly everything out there. This is cool. This is an ENSTER camera system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.